Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have GoClever tablet. This device works perfectly fine, but the keyboard is completely dead. The problem is obvious, so there is no need for some advanced troubleshooting. I don't know exactly what caused the damage, but I have a possible suspect. For this repair, I'm gonna sacrifice my good working micro USB cable. I cut the inner wires too long, so yeah, scissors come to the rescue. This small keyboard PCB is neatly labeled, but if you still not sure about USB color order, it's easy to find online. Cable will be heavily bent at a sharp angle, so I'll secure it with hot glue. And the rest of the frame with CA glue. Let's see how it works. And that's about all for this episode. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Also hope it was useful. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.